Today, we're carrying on the theme of Saturday's video and working with 3 more sheets of stained glass for the first time. And boy, do we have some ground to cover. Here I am thinking, ooh, this green glass will be easy because it's transparent and has 0 texture to it. In some cases, that can be true, at least compared to the textured or opaque glass. But what I failed to think about was the thickness of it. What does that have to do with the ease of cutting stained glass? Great question. I believe the thicker the glass, the more it wants to separate in straight lines, especially when getting to the end of the score. Can it be done though? Of course. I'm just saying though, you can get bad breaks on curved cuts because the line will not want to curve, as we saw. Moving on after this to the second sheet of glass. Wait, I thought you said new glass sheets. Isn't this the same bubble type of stained glass used in previous projects? Another great question. Scotty's on fire. Austin Powers, what's up? One of the things Scotty doesn't know, besides Fiona and me, is that color also matters when it comes to working with stained glass. That was a Eurotrip reference. What's up? Back to back, different movie quotes? Who is this guy? But seriously, this amber bubble glass so far has actually been easier to separate than the green glass. But I have not started grossing it yet, so that could change. Lastly, we get to the iridescent white snowy glass. Nothing really out of the ordinary when it comes to working with iridescent glass, but one thing I already know is it's going to be a major pain, not the movie, to clean off the glass from the sticker adhesive. Like, I'm gonna have to bust out the chemical closet to clean off these pieces. To new artists out there, be warned. The film that's on iridescent glass does not care about your Friday plans. So keep the babysitter appointment because you've got a date with scrubbing off adhesive or marker from the glass. Just saying. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. Almost on the daily because your boy takes a day of rest now on Sundays. Less screen time is definitely good for mental health. But I mean, you could still watch Grizzly glass art. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure your screen tracker on your phone does not count Grizzly time. So spread the word.